TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 76. You get the NASDAQ down 4. S&Ps are up 5. Gold contract down $12.20, trading at $11.78 an ounce. You have silver down 10 cents, $16.64 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $3, $48.26. You're going to get two different announcements right at 10 o'clock. We're going to get the OPEC deal. At 10:30, we're going to get the oil numbers. Notes, 10-year note down 18 ticks, 125.06. 30-year bond off a full 2 points plus 2 ticks at 152.02. Now, the 10-year, you're pulling back on lighter volume, hasn't broken the swing point, lower swing point. That wants higher price. 30-year has broken the lower swing point. We'll see whether they get a rejection of that lower price. I do expect that that's exactly what you're going to see. Good old King Dollar. What is it all about, folks? King Dollar's up 551 ticks. You're at 101.500. Bottom line, you get an expansion of price. You're not over the highs of yesterday. You have light volume. King Dollar is still in an ABC structure on the way down. That structure on the way down has a price projection of 100.225. Now, the 100.225, what that does is this. King Dollar broke out at 100.660. 600 rather. Bottom line, if you get back inside that place, guess what? You're going to have a monster failure on price inside King Dollar. That's going to send King Dollar down over the next 6 to 8 months to the 91 area. That's how this thing is shaking out. Volatility, yeah, you can have it in spades. I do expect all day long today you're going to keep the volatility inside the currency market as well as the oil market as well as the commodity market, because what you have here, folks, is that it's the currencies and the bonds that are running this market right now. Euro. The euro is up $1.05, and the yen is trading at 113.62. Now, if we go right over to the NDX 100, right now the NDX 100, it's pretty amazing. The NDX 100 is having a tough time getting up to its high. That is the only major indice when we talk about the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&Ps, the composite, the Russell 2000 that hasn't been able to make the 4911.58. That level there, the 4911.58, is the high that was generated out here on the 24th. Bottom line, guess what? I suspect we're going to get it. We're in window dressing. Our bottom line is that it has every right to get up and tag that baby, whether it's tomorrow or the next day. You don't tag that by Friday, see ya, don't want to be ya. That's just showing how weak the NDX 100 is. When you take a look inside the Qs, what you're dealing with in the Qs, you're dealing $119.48. Bottom line, we're at 118.64 right now. If we do go over and take a look at what's running the market, we go right back to the dollar index. You're going to see the dollar index right now is up 571 ticks. The high of yesterday, which it couldn't hold, was 101.690. We got to 101.570. Bottom line, intraday, I expect what you're going to see out here. Intraday again, the dollar's going to looks to me like it's going to come back down into the 101.360. And now let's go right back over to the gold contract. Gold contract twice has rejected lower price out here this morning. That's testing the lows right now, and it's testing those lows on dramatically lighter volume. And what it's testing, folks, is going all the way back to the 24th. 24th, bottom line, you came down with some big volume. Guess what? Doesn't have the juice in order to break that volume. So we're down 1250, and I expect as we're coming into the close in the metals market, which is going to be 1:30 this afternoon, you might see that thing down $5, $6, $7. I don't expect you're going to be down $12. And why? Because I expect what you're going to see is that good old King Dollar is not going to be able to hold this higher price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.